Another car, 2001 Toyota Corolla. Brake pad, maybe brake pad or rotor.
Alright guys, so we are removing the tire over here so that we can check if the rotor is also worn, so we can decide if we are going to buy rotor too.
Ha? Hindi maano yun, hindi makalaga yung
And as we expected, the rotor is also worn, very worn, so we are going to replace the rotor too.
O sige, okay lang yan. Sige. Sige, tanggal mo na. Sige, tanggal mo na. Hindi. Pwede ba itong ano? Usually yung gamitin mo ng flat screw. Screwdriver. Mas maganda ito. Yan. Ganda. Yun o. So, yan. Yan. Mas may sabagay. Pwedeng sa baba, pwede sa taas. Okay. Good.
Hindi kagaya nung tinangkad natin na may pin siya eh, di ba?
Iba naman.
Iba tong design.
Iba-ibang design. Pero almost
Pwede.
parehas ang ano niya.
Pero pwedeng sa baba lang. Kaso paano kung mahigit ng ganun?
Hindi, ibig sabihin, unahin mo sa baba. But it's okay.
Tapos,
Tanggal mo lang.
igaganon lang pala, no?
Oo. Sige.
O nga, no? Tapos ilayin ng gano'n, no?
Anyway, papadala naman yung rotor. Kaya sabi ko, it's okay. Okay lang. Yan. Tapos ano yun dyan. And then, tanggalin mo yung pads. Sandali nga. Ano natin yung mas para at least mapakita sa kanila. Ano na natin talaga ng ebidensya. Wow! Look at this. Holy crap. Metal to metal na.
Metal na yan.
Metal na.
Oh, ito. Pagka ganyan, palitan na yung ano.
So, pati rotor. Okay, good.
Basta dumikit na sa rotor.
Maso. Yun o. Good. Yan sa baba. Okay. Kahit hindi na pala. Tingnan mo sa ano, puchak yan, kinain na niya. Kaya kailangan palitan. Yan, that's it. And then, ano yun muna sa kabila.
So we are installing a brand new rotor over here, and also a brand new brake pad. We're using AC Delco brand.
Sa Lord ko pa rin.
Sa Lord ko. Tapos, yung torque naman yan, 80 rin. 80.
Sa gulong.
Oo. Yung, di ba may dalawang bolts yan? So 80.
Pati yung dito, gulong mo.
Oo. Basta kotse. Generic na yun para ano. Okay na. Good.
We are putting the caliper over here, and we are also gonna be torquing it. Mostly if a small car like this, we usually torque this around 80 foot-pounds. So right here we are putting silicone paste on the edge of the brake pad. So we started the back first, then after that the one on the front. So sometimes there's a trick in putting this brake pad. So as you can see, that's the trick that we are doing. There you go. Sometimes it takes few try, to do it. There you go. It's in. And then Loctite on those caliper
Yun, konti.
or sliding
Okay lang.
Kala ko malaki.
pin
Mahal din kasi yan. Kaya game.
bolt
Yan.
on the caliper.
Pag nasanin mo yan. Yan, o yan.
And then just snug.
Then slide mo siya.
Doesn't need to be over tight as long as it's snug.
Slide mo.
And then
Ito? Alin?
try to slide it.
Ah, ito?
When it slide, meaning good. And there you go.
That's it. That's good. Done.